Hi, welcome back to Kelly Beauty 13. It's my first video of 2023 and it is the January 2023 curl box that I'll be unboxing with you today. So the actual package box looks a little bigger. It's usually more square. So it's the same box, but there's just an item that's outside of it. I will show you the box and then we'll go through each item. Here is the curl box. It says curl box New Year BU January 2023. So this month's curl box looks like it's another collaboration with the JCPenney salon. It says we're breathing a sigh of relief in 2023 as our favorite star watchers predict this year will bring us closer to what we want and need. Our first curl box of the year, in partnership with JCPenney, is most of what you want and all you need. Well, I'm going to start with the first item on the list, and that is the KERACARE Dry and Itchy Scalp Glossifier. And it says this scalp treatment quickly relieves itching, dryness, and flaking. It's effective against dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, and seborrhea. I never used this before, but I have used the KERACARE gel in the past. I don't remember how much I liked it, but this seems interesting. Next is the Flawless Hydrating Cleansing Conditioner, and this is the co-washing cleansing conditioner that gently removes dirt and buildup while nourishing and conditioning hair. It's great for natural, color-treated, or relaxed hair. I have used this before. I have a video of trying out these products for the first time. I will put it in the cards right here, and I will also link it down below. I believe this is the same co-wash because I don't think she has two different co-washes in her brand. The next item is this KNV Scalp Bliss Itch Calming Serum. We received something similar to this in a curl box a few months ago, and this says that this revolutionary serum with an exclusive organic complex that soothes and calms an itchy scalp has precisely targeted delivery. It says get rid of dry, itchy scalp, sensitive skin, and scalp irritation. And the next item is the Design Essentials Rosemary and Mint Stimulating Super Moisturizing Conditioner. This one says rejuvenate your scalp and restore your tresses with this powerhouse conditioner that moisturizes and calms inflammation, all while nourishing your follicles. After that, I see the Creole Essence Haitian Black Castor Oil in mango, papaya, and coconut. This multi-use lightweight serum is 100% pure Haitian black castor oil infused with mango, papaya, and coconut. It stimulates hair growth, soothes fussy scalps, and helps lock in moisture for your curls and skin. I do have this. I know I have the regular one, but I'm not sure if I have this one. Then I have a little, it's not on the list here, but it's a MALIBU scalp therapy. And this one is just a little packet. And it says that it soothes away dryness and it unplugs minerals from mouth of a follicle. That's interesting. The next item I got is the BOUCLEME Hydrating Hair Cleanser. This is infused with sea salt that boosts volume and blood circulation in the scalp, promoting healthy follicle growth. This low foaming cleanser gently cleanses the hair and scalp, restoring strength and improving overall hair health. If you missed it, I also used the BOUCLEME products that I received in a non-subscription curl box, I believe, and I'm not sure if I used the hair cleanser or if they had a shampoo that I used, but make sure you check that out. I'll put it in the cards right here, and I will also link that one down below so you can check it out. If you did not receive this BOUCLEME item, then you would have received the BOUCLEME curl conditioner, and that one would be similar packaging but with a light orange color. And it says this unique formulation penetrates deep into the hair cuticle with linseed extract. It's rich in protein, minerals, vitamins, and oils for high shine. So I got this one, and some people got the orange one. Last but not least, this is another item that people got different ones. This is the Alafia Everyday Shea Body Wash. This one is the lavender scent. It's for normal to very dry skin, and it says truly natural handcrafted, this hand and body soap is moisturizing and gentle for the skin. Made with fair trade and unrefined shea butter, it gently cleanses away pollutants while nourishing and protecting your skin. And if you didn't get the purple one that is lavender, then you got the orange bottle, which I believe is unscented. So this is the list of everything right here. So that was the January 2023 CurlBox unboxing. Let me know what you think of the products. So far, there's 3 items in here that I have used, and then 4 that I have already because I do have that little Can Be packet that I received, but I haven't used it yet. Let me know if you get CurlBox and you receive the same exact items I got, or if you receive some of the other ones. I did not do an unboxing for the December 2022 CurlBox, but I will get a video out with that soon. It is still in the box along with some other CurlBoxes that I received in the month of December. I was just unable to get to them, so look out for that. Don't forget to check out my other unboxings right here, or my wash and goes here. Thank you so much for unboxing this CurlBox with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.